So a little disclaimer before you start the day 2 video. The clips are a little bit shaky and also it's little clips from here and there because it was mostly in the mountain area, so it was a little shaky, and also I was enjoying the day thoroughly, so I somewhere forgot to film. So yeah, now continue watching this video. So this is a day 2 in Udaipur and it's morning and we are here to have our breakfast, which is kachori and lassi. And they were having samosa. Then after having our breakfast, we headed towards Jagdish temple, which was in the walking distance from our place. The weather that day was very sunny and also it was weekend, so it was very crowded too. It was also a very famous temple there, so we decided to go visit. Then after having our prasad and visit in the Jagdish temple, we went to the Baki Bihari temple, which was straight from behind the Jagdish temple. It was so sunny and so hot there. Our foots were burning all the time. We were running here and there in the temple. So after visiting Jagdish temple, we headed straight towards the city palace because we did not had much time to visit there because we also had to leave for the Rayta hill to see the waterfall. Also, we got the discount in the ticket for city palace through our college ID card, as there were discount for the students. The palace was so huge and there was a big museum inside of this, the armor museum. The place was so beautiful. We took out so many pictures and videos. I'm gonna add few here. People also came there to paint the view from up there, which was really beautiful. And after that, we had to rush out from the museum and the palace because we were getting late, as we needed to go to the Rayta hill for the waterfall. So we couldn't cover the 1/4 of the palace and we had to run from the no exit point, and we had to lie them that we had some health issue and they let us go out. And then we headed straight towards the Rayta hill with rest of our stay mates, as we were all like 10-15 people. And oh my god, Rayta hill was just so gorgeous, and no one could have imagined that there is so much greenery in Rajasthan. It was so foggy, bright and peaceful there. Then we got out of a vehicle to have a little walk around the place, the beautiful mountain. It was so cold and peaceful there. Then we came across this waterfall which was so beautiful, and we stopped here to take some pictures and videos, but it wasn't the main waterfall. So after watching this place, we went ahead to see our main waterfall. So by the time we reached to our final destination, that is the main waterfall, it got too dark and the weather got too cold than before, but the view was worth it. It was too dark out there. I couldn't film the whole waterfall, but we climbed that waterfall and the water was so cold, but we still got into the water and it was just so amazing. And yeah, with that we come to an end of this video. I hope you like this video, and if you did, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And the part 3, that is the day 3 video, will gonna come soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye.